Want to instantly boost engagement on your Instagram stories? Let's dive into adding a poll and making your followers part of the conversation. First, open up your Instagram app and swipe right to start creating a new story. Now, capture a photo or video, or even choose one from your gallery. This will be the backdrop for your poll. Once you're happy with your visual, tap on the sticker icon, usually found in the top right corner. Scroll through the sticker options until you find the poll sticker. It's usually represented by an icon with two options. Tap on the poll sticker to add it to your story. You'll see fields to customize your question and the answer options. Now, let's get interactive. Tap on the Ask a Question field. This is where you'll type in what you want your followers to vote on. Type your question clearly and concisely. Think about what your audience would genuinely like to weigh in on. Next, customize the answer options. You can keep the default yes and no, or tap on them to change them to whatever suits your question best. You can even add more options if you like. Once you set your question and answers, you can drag and drop the poll sticker to position it perfectly on your story, and pinch to resize if needed. Finally, when you're ready to share, tap the Your Story button. Your engaging poll is now live. Your followers can now tap on their preferred answer directly within your story. To see how your poll is doing, simply swipe up on your story. You'll see the real-time results, including how many people voted and their choices. It's a fantastic way to gather opinions and connect with your audience.